Hello, I am Mohammed Ahmed Hussain. I am doing my Masters in Coventry University. This is my 10-minute individual presentation for business analytics and intelligence. Let me start with the introduction. Implementation of business analytics in UK banks, driving growth and efficiency. UK banks generate massive amounts of data daily from customer transaction, market trends, and internal operations. This data presents a significant opportunity for competitive advantage. The role of business analytics. Business analytics leverages data and analytical techniques to gain insights, make informed decisions, and improve business performance. Key areas of importance: customer segmentation, risk management, fraud detection, product development, and operational efficiency. Um, Customer segmentation: identifying customer segments with similar needs and behaviors. Tailor products and services to specific customer groups. Personalized marketing campaigns for increased engagement. Risk management: assess credit risk and identify potential fraud, develop robust risk models to mitigate losses, comply with regulatory requirements. Fraud detection: utilize machine learning algorithms to detect and prevent fraudulent activities, protect customer funds, and maintain trust. Operational efficiency: streamline processes and reduce cost, improve customer services through data driven insights, optimize resource location. Data set of banks operating in UK. The banks index that was mentioned are Santander, Barclays, HSBC, Lloyds Bank Group, NatWest, Nationwide, Standard Chartered, Virgin Money, Metro Bank. Um, and next we are going to look about the regression analysis. Customer satisfaction as my dependent variable. Multiple regression is a statistical technique that examines the relationship between a dependent variable, the variable you want to predict, and two or more independent variables, the variables used to make the prediction. It aims to create a model that best predicts the dependent variable based on the independent variables. Regression analysis. Multiple are 0.996755038. This is the correlation coefficient between the observed values of the dependent variable and the predicted values from the model. It indicates how well the model fits in this data. A value close to 1 indicates a strong positive correlation, suggesting a good fit. The regression analysis: y is equal to b plus b 1 into 1 plus b 2 into 2 plus bnxn, where y is the dependent variable, b is the intercept, x1 and x2 are the independent variables, b1 and b2 are coefficients of the corresponding independent variables. Loan default rate. For each 1% increase in the loan default rate, the dependent variable decreases by approximately 7.72 units. Operational costs in millions, minus 0.08765,269. For each 1 million increase in operational cost, the dependent variable decreases by approximately 0.0088 units. Profit, minus 0.006414037. For each 1 unit increase in profit, the dependent variable decreases by approximately 0.0064 units. Digital adoption percentage, minus 0.060723503. For each 1% increase in digital adoption, the dependent variable decreases by approximately 0.0607 units. Interpretation: this model is highly significant overall. The model explains a large proportion of the variance in the dependent variable. The loan default rate percentage has a statistical significant impact on the dependent variable. That is low p value. Operational cost, profit, and digital adoptions do not have statistical significant impacts. This multiple regression analysis provides a strong model for predicting that dependent variable based on the independent variable, but only the loan default rate has a statistical and significantly important impact on the dependent variable. Relationship among the variables. Interpretation: strong relationship. The IR squared 99.12% and the extremely low p values indicate a very strong and statistically significant relationship between the loan default rate percentage and the dependent variable. Regression statistics. Multiple are 0.995584426. This is the correlation coefficient between the independent variable, loan default percentage, and the dependent variable, customer satisfaction. It's very high, indicating a strong positive correlation. R square 0.991188349. This means that approximately 99.12% of the variation in the dependent variable is explained by the loan default rate percentage. This indicates a very strong relationship. Loan default rate percentage minus 7.087912,088. This is the slope of the regression line. It means that for every 1% increase in the loan default rate, the dependent variable decreases by approximately 7.09 units. Largest banks in the United Kingdom in 2023 by total assets in billion British pounds and US dollars. This is a timeline that I have attached with this project, showing the emergence of AI, ML, cloud computing, and open banking over time. And also the customer attitudes towards traditional online banks in the United Kingdom, that was taken back in 2022 chart, was also attached with my project. It illustrates about the understanding about the consumer attitudes towards traditional and online banks. So this is my project that I have done, and thank you for your cooperation, and thank you.